Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abby and I'm a Denver blogger. I talk about all things fashion and style, and today I'm going to be talking about Mejuri. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I love Mejuri. I've made a lot of videos in the past. That's because this is one of my favorite jewelry brands. I really love the quality of the jewelry. I love their pieces. I wear them all the time. And if you're interested in learning more about the brand, and the jewelry quality itself and why things are priced the way that they are, check out this video. It's my Mejuri favorites video. It talks about the brand and the quality in depth. I don't want to drag on this video by talking more about that here. I really just want to go through all of the spring arrivals. Plus you'll get a highlight of all of my favorite items that I wear on repeat. In this video, I want to just go over all of the new arrivals and my favorite fun pieces from the spring drops. I will leave all of the links in the description box below in order of appearance and break everything down by category. And I have a 10% off discount code, and this is huge because they don't run sales other than the Black Friday sale. So you will get 10% off your entire order in checkout if you use any of the links in the description box, so make sure you cash in on that discount. We're gonna start out with the rings category. This is one of my favorite categories because it's so fun to mix and match and stack rings. The first item that I'm going to talk about is the figure ring. It's so pretty and unique. It has a different wave to it. It's gold vermeil and it's $98. It's beautiful and you can definitely wear it with other rings on the same hand. I don't think that you could stack it just because of the fun wavy shape, but it is just beautiful and gives a artsy sculpture vibe. Another one of my favorite rings for the new arrivals is the emerald and diamond wishbone ring. I feel like it is just so beautiful and the green looks so great in spring and summer. Of course, you can wear it all year round, but it just looks so gorgeous. And I think you can definitely stack it. They have stackable options with other wishbone rings on the website, but this is just a fun, colorful spring drop. This next ring is a fresh drop. It is the duet mixed ring. It's gold vermeil and sterling silver. I love that they combine these two metals because sometimes you just can't decide. Most of the time I'm definitely a gold person, but if you want to wear silver and gold, this is a great way to do that at such an affordable price. It's $98 and it's just such a beautiful piece. I have never worn anklets before, but when I saw this piece on the website, I knew I had to have it. It's the Star Charm anklet. It is 14 karat gold and $168. Such a beautiful, simple, minimal piece. I love that it's 14 karat gold, so it's not gonna tarnish, so I can wear it throughout my daily activities and not have to worry about taking it off and putting it back on all the time. That drives me nuts. Like, I don't have to take off my jewelry, so that's one of the many reasons why I love Mejuri, is because I never have issues, especially with their 14 karat gold breaking, tarnishing, looking old and dingy. It always just looks immaculate. And I do wash it and keep it clean. They don't recommend, wearing it in the beach, in the pool, and that kind of thing, but I do, and I don't have any problems. So for that reason, like, I'm lazy about taking my jewelry on and off, and I want to be able to wear it all the time. And Mejuri allows me to do that. So like I said, one of the many reasons why I love Mejuri and I'm such an advocate of theirs is because of the wearability of their jewelry. The next item in this category is the Rolo chain charm bracelet. It is 14 karat gold and $500. It's absolutely beautiful. The clasp is such high quality. You can easily add charms and take them off, and you can definitely personalize it to your own style. They have a bunch of different charms that you can add, and it's just so beautiful and timeless. You could definitely pass this down. I love this item, and I'm so glad that they came out with this because you can wear it on its own or in a stack and it just looks so beautiful. You can obviously wear pearls all year round, but when it comes to summer, I'm obsessed with wearing my pearls, and for that reason, this bracelet is another one of my favorites. The mini satellite pearl bracelet. It's gold vermeil, freshwater pearls, and really affordable at $98. It's so timeless and it can be worn in a stack or on its own, and it'll just look so stunning. So I love this piece. This honestly might be one of the pieces that I wear for my wedding. I still haven't decided yet, but I love this bracelet. We are on the necklace category. I am loving the emerald stationed necklace. It's just like this diamond necklace, except it's an emerald. It's so beautiful. It's $500, a real emerald obviously, and it's 14 karat gold. So simple yet so beautiful with the green, and I love that they dropped this green collection. This happens to be my favorite necklace in the collection that they dropped. My second favorite in the collection that they dropped is very similar to the wishbone ring that we talked about earlier. This is the emerald wishbone necklace. This one is 14 karat gold, real emeralds, real diamonds. It's a little bit more sparkly and decorative than the single emerald necklace, but it's so beautiful, and I feel like this is something that could be worn every single day or for a special occasion. The next piece is the serpentine necklace, and I'm actually wearing this one today. This is one of my favorite pieces, and I'm not sure when they dropped this necklace, but I'm talking about it because I think it's a staple item that everyone should have in their jewelry collection. It's something you can layer, wear on its own, and you could also add a charm to it if you wanted to, you know, like a single diamond. Whatever you were kind of looking to add to it, you could definitely do that. It's just so beautiful, and I love a good quality classic necklace that I can wear every single day. Mejuri is big into the charms lately, and they created a Rolo chain necklace, very similar again to the bracelet that we talked about earlier, and the clasp is the very same. Such a high quality clasp, you don't have any issues getting the charms on and off, and it's just a stunning piece, very minimal, but also such a fun, creative way to have a charm necklace. I don't think I've ever had a charm necklace before now, but this one is just so beautiful. And I love the versatility of it, being able to add different charms based on my mood or based on the outfit that I'm wearing. And if you're looking for another way to show off your style and personality, this necklace is a great way to do that. I am loving the organic pearl hoops. This is not a new arrival, but I think this is something everybody should have because I've had it for years and I love them. And again, like I said, I'm obsessed with pearls in the spring and summer and wearing them as much as I can. This is such a great piece that is timeless. It's so minimal but beautiful at the same time. And the quality is great. It's gold vermeil with freshwater pearls and $78, which is really affordable for gold and pearl earrings, and I love these. These next earrings are pearl as well. They're the pearl sculptural drop earrings, and they're just a little bit more fun. They're a little bit more artsy. They're also gold vermeil, and they're $98. They're such a fun take on a pearl earring, and they're just different than your standard pearl earrings. The last piece is the paper clip oversized hoops. These earrings are really fun and creative without being overstated. They're definitely something that you can wear every day. You don't have to wait for a special particular occasion. They're definitely very versatile. You can wear them with anything. They are gold vermeil and $68, so a really great price for a good quality hoop. Last up is the Mejuri Luar collab purse. This is the small Anna bag, and I love it. I was so excited to get this in because it's just such high quality. It's so beautiful. It's very versatile, but it's also very unique. I've seen a lot of top handle bags, but you can see that a lot of thought went into this bag. It's very structured. You can tell it's really high quality. The straps are removable, and this chain, again, just such high quality. You can tell it's not a cheap chain. It has some weight to it, but it's not heavy, and it doesn't feel cheap. It feels really good quality. It's not gonna snap on me. And the attachments, again, feel like really great quality. And the zipper is amazing. I can just tell that so much thought and effort went into designing this bag, and it shows. It's just so beautiful. I love the gold and white combo, and I'm gonna be wearing this all the time, and so I had to share this piece as well because this is my new favorite purse. That wraps up my video. If you like this video, be sure to give me a like and subscribe, and don't forget to use that 10% off discount, and I will see you next time.